Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, or if you're even returning, thanks for joining me. Today we have the Ipsy January's Ipsy, so let's go ahead and open it on up. Oh my goodness, look at this bag. It is so cute. Kind of like an 80s look to me is what I feel when I look at it. Very much like a little workout bag. You could throw this in your workout bag, get a nice healthy start, working out for summertime. So here we go. We're gonna open the bag on up and see what we have inside. So first off, it is a little card that gives you like a nice little message, and it says game face. It says, I will conquer, and then you fill in there. So I will conquer 2018. How about that one? I'm gonna conquer 2018. I'm gonna take this year and make it the best that I can. So what are you gonna conquer? Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you want to achieve for this year. Me, I want to hopefully grow this channel. I want to continue to be a great mom and do good with my kids and be the best wife that I can and just have a good, happy, healthy life. So let me know what you want for your 2018. Those are things that I aspire and hopefully will succeed in just being a better person in general. So our first Ipsy item is, it is Manizer. So it's a highlighter, shimmer, and an eyeshadow. So you could use it for any one of the things. I love this brand. It's the Balm, and their products are just really nice. Like, I like their pigment. I like the way they wear. I have an eyeshadow from them, and I love it. Like, love, love, love. It's something I will repurchase. I love, love, love. So once again, it's a little sample, but it's super cute. This little, once the eyeshadows or the little things that come inside, my last sample like this, my girls like to use it for their American Girl doll or Barbies. So fun. Next item in the bag is, next item in the bag. Okay, hello. I needed some of this. So it's by Bellapierre Cosmetics, and it's the Stay Put Brow Gel. It looks like a full size, and it is sealed, which I love. So anybody who watches my channel knows that I love sealed items. Let's see how does this work? Let's see. Oh, yay. So you have the little applicator, the little brush, and then you open it up, and it is sealed again. I love it, because to me, that's just clean. So, sealed again, and then we have the product in here. I like it. It seems to go on very nice. And so I just so you know, I just tried to wipe it off with just like a regular washcloth, and it stayed put. Like it says, name says, Stay Put Eye Gel. So, the next item that we have is by So Suzanne, another brand that I do like. This is a liquid matte. So these liquid mattes are seeming to be pretty popular. And this is a long wear liquid lipstick. It is a full size. Once again, I will have all the products and their prices linked down below. I also have a link for Ipsy if you're interested in getting your own bag. You can click on that link and it will take you right there and you can sign up. So it is $10 a month and you get 5 items plus a bag, which is super cool. This is a super pretty color. It's like a rose color, and it is cruelty free. So that's nice. In the color Raisin Flesh. Nice full size liquid matte lipstick. Next item in the bag is this is by Ciate London, and it is the Fierce Flicks. This is also another full-size item, sealed. I'm not quite sure how to open it up. It's a liquid gel eyeliner. And I don't know if you can see it on there. Oh, that's really dark. And then it's in jet black. And once it dries, it's not moving, my friends. It's not gonna move. So this is great for your winged eyeliners that you don't want to get all messed up and go all over your face. So happy. I'm super happy. I think the review would be happy to review our product. We have one more item, guys. I'm sorry. We only did 4 items. Wait. Yeah, 4 items. Wow. Okay, so we only did 4 items. So the last item, it's by Purlisse. So this is a mud mask plus exfoliant, gently resurfaces, detoxifies, brightens, tightens, and smooth. It's a 10-minute facial. So love that. I need a little extra love. I've got 5 kids and I'm always on the go. So anything to help me keep my face nice and healthy and glowy looking is great. This is by Purlisse. Never used this brand, but I love masks, so super excited. So to review, we have the mask, we have the eyeliner, we also have the liquid lip matte, the Stay Put eyebrow gel, and the Mary Lou Manizer highlighter, eyeshadow, what have you, multi-purpose. Plus, we cannot forget, my friends, do not forget the bag. This is a super cute bag, so cute. Go in your gym bag. If you have a daughter or whatever, or son that likes this, I don't know. If you have somebody else, I mean like a kid, I know my kids like to use my bags. I think this is a super cute bag to throw in your gym bag. Put whatever little makeup items or whatever items you may need. I like throwing these in my bag, my purse, my baby bag. They are just super cute, fun. So once again, it's $10 a month, 5 items, plus a bag. I have loved my Ipsy and I look forward to seeing you guys in the future. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you like this video, then please like this video. Don't forget to join me for my next video. So hit the little bell so you can be notified when I come out with a new video. Also, thank you so much for joining me, and I appreciate everybody out there who has supported me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love you all. Till next time, guys.